Okay, so today we're making this lavender honey sleepy time latte with CBD. It's super delicious. I'm gonna have some right now. And as you know, if you follow me on Twitter or Facebook, you probably have seen me complain about how I just suck at sleeping. So what I like about the infused powder is that it's completely soluble. Like you can just add it to really anything. And this lavender honey latte, it's not a latte in the sense there's no caffeine in it. It's just warm milk, lavender, honey, a little bit of vanilla, and just a really, really great way to slide into bedtime. So let's get to making it. So one of the great things about having this like water soluble CBD is that it actually works within a few minutes. So oil-based CBD requires digestion to start working. This actually starts working as soon as you eat it. So it's like within minutes, you can actually start feeling the effects. That's one of the benefits of having the soluble CBD. So the first thing that you want to do is add your milk to a saucepan, a small saucepan, and then warm it over a medium heat. Now you want to be careful to not burn the milk. So don't bring it to a boil. Don't even bring it to a low simmer. Just watch it start to steam. Next thing you're going to do is you're going to add in culinary lavender. This is really important. It has to be culinary lavender. Add that to the milk, and then you want to cook the milk for about 1 minute. Again, being careful to not bring it to a boil or a simmer, and don't let the milk burn. After you cook it, cover the pan, remove it from the heat, and let it steep for about 3 minutes. So after the lavender has steeped in the milk, go ahead and strain the milk into your favorite mug. You don't want to eat the culinary lavender. They're going to add in your vanilla, your CBD, the infused CBD powder, and a little bit of honey. Now, if you like your lattes with milk foam, I have a hack for you. You can actually foam your milk at home. You don't need anything other than just a simple jar. Just add the milk to a mason jar, cover it, shake the heck out of it for about a minute, and there you go. You have freshly foamed milk for your latte. And that's all you need to make this lavender honey sleepy time latte. Just go ahead and add in the infused CBD powder, and boom, you'll be sleeping in no time.